Hello everyone, this is Maria Loves Art. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. You can use this little miniature painting as a magnet or you can hang it up. I wanted to try something different, so let's get started. I've done a whole bunch of videos, just a whole bunch of different kind of videos, and these miniature houses, everybody seems to really love those little houses, so I'm trying to do them still. They are so much fun. I love being able to decorate them, but I'm so glad that there are so many subscribers now. I can remember when I had 4 subscribers. So now with these miniatures, I have gotten more and more subscribers. So thank you so much. So my first miniature that I did in December has 9.9 thousand views. That is amazing. Now if I can get subscribers, more subscribers, that would be fantastic. It just keeps me motivated because I know that people are watching and that makes me so happy. decided to paint some wildflowers. Sometimes you see all kinds of varieties of tiny little flowers and they are so beautiful. We gotta add some of those Texas Bluebonnets. That was some real thunder you just heard. It is sunny outside, but it's still thundering. Happy 4th of July. Stay safe.